Hi guys, welcome back. It's me again. Today I want to show you something that my husband picked up for himself at Louis Vuitton. He got this at the Louis Vuitton boutique in New Bond Street. Now he kind of went on his own. I think I've told you before, like we shop at luxury places together. We actually went to Harrods together, the Louis Vuitton at Harrods. And he was with me when I was at the Prada concession, which was it wasn't a great experience for me and a few other people. The Prada concession at Harrods, no. Okay. And by the way, I have a dragging video coming if I haven't posted it already, because I don't know when this video is going up. But he went to the New Bond Street Louis Vuitton, and yeah, he picked something up. So let me show you. I actually really like the men's collection, not for me to wear, because like I think I've said before in one of my previous videos, like my style is very feminine and very glamorous. Like that's my preference. But I love seeing things I can pick up for him and things that I think he would like, and he likes when I suggest things to him. So this was actually one of my suggestions to him, because he had said, oh, I want to pick something up for men's, and we had seen a few things on the app. I showed him on my phone and he was like, okay, let me get something. So this is what he got. I'll show you. This stuff was packaged really well, but obviously we've been traveling, so I've had to like open things. So yeah, let me show you. I did like put the ribbon back and everything. So this is what he got. Let me show you. Thought my nail came off there. I have to be really careful and dainty when I have these nails. And it comes with a beautiful drawstring pouch. He got this very cool belt. It is really cool. I've just forgotten the name of this actual belt. I'll remember the name and I'll link it below. But he picked up this belt from men's. So it has this buckle. You can see it here. Okay, there's the buckle. That's like this. It's a very beautiful so black. It's like a so black matte finish. It's really nice. Very thugged out. You can see just like the beautiful so black finish. I think it's absolutely stunning. And then this gorgeous leather. It's just the softest, most supple leather. It's a very long belt. You can see it's like this from the buckle, which is here on my right hand, to here. Sorry, there are all kinds of bugs in the air. You know, I live in a tropical country. Apologies for that. Can't be helped. There are bugs everywhere. So you can see, like I said, I just want to make sure that you guys can see the beauty of this buckle, because the buckle is absolutely gorgeous. It's such a beautiful. Now, my husband was saying, because he watched my quite luxury video, he was saying that he feels like his style. I had shown him a buckle that's like this, but it has like a gold buckle, a belt that's similar to this, but has a gold buckle. And he liked it. And by the way, I don't know if you can see it very well here. I don't think you can. It says like Louis Vuitton, like there's a very soft imprint of the LV logo here. He was saying like, should he get the one with the gold buckle or this one? I actually think this so black, like matte one is more his style. Versus the gold one. His style isn't like super flashy, it's not really his thing, but he does like gold as well. So I told him to go for this one, and yeah, he saw it at the store. I wasn't with him that day when he went to New Bond Street. He had a great experience. He was offered drinks. My husband is very, he's a very carefree person. He's super relaxed. He's not easily like frazzled. He doesn't really care. And I think that when you're like that, it's kind of easier to shop at these brands sometimes, particularly as a man. He even got the SA to take a picture of him when he was trying on some trainers, and he showed me. I was like, oh my god, I would die. And he knows that. But I was like, it's because you're a man. So they said yeah, because if you'd ask an SA to take a picture, we'd be like, no, you can't take pictures in here. So yeah, this absolutely gorgeous Louis Vuitton men's belt with this very cool so black. This is just really cool and edgy. I really like it. So yeah, I hope that you can see it. So yeah, this is the belt that he picked up. I forgot how much this was. I will get the name of the belt properly and put it in the description below. So yeah, tell me what you think about that purchase. The next thing that I'm looking to get for my husband is this pocket organizer. I'll insert a picture here so that you can see it. I think that the best place for me to buy items for Edwin would probably be the Johannesburg store, just because they have a lot of men's stock. And I think, I don't know if I had mentioned that, but like in January when I went shopping there, the SA was saying how they get lots of stuff for men, and like the men's ready to wear and the men's accessories and the men's leather goods really do sell, and they do very well there. So I'd love to pick up a pocket organizer for him, I think just in like the regular canvas. So yeah, give me some feedback on this video. Would you like to see more men's unboxings? Honestly, my husband's fine. He doesn't mind me sharing some of the things he picks up. I don't share, he actually buys quite a bit of luxury. I don't share everything that he gets, just things which I think are like, I like all the luxury things that he picks up, but it obviously depends if he is okay with me sharing it. But he was okay with me sharing this as well, so I just wanted to quickly show you guys. I would love to know what you think about this. Please consider fully subscribing, hitting notifications, join the email newsletter, and also go join the group below, or go follow my public Facebook page and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. You know, I'm everywhere. Okay, so go find me because I'm everywhere. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.